Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for SEO content creation in 2026. So if you want to write blog posts that rank better on Google, this guide will help you plan, write, and optimize content step by step. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you can start creating SEO-optimized content right away. Now identify your main keyword and related search terms. So you can ask Claude to suggest SEO keywords, long-tail keywords, and topic ideas based on your niche. Next, ask Claude to generate a structured blog outline. Include headings like introduction, main sections, subheadings, and conclusion for better SEO structure. Now ask Claude to write the full article using your keyword naturally. It will help you create readable, keyword-rich content without overstuffing. You can also ask Claude to improve readability, shorten paragraphs, and optimize for SEO structure. This helps make your content more engaging and search-friendly. One important SEO step is creating meta titles and descriptions. So you can ask Claude to generate catchy, keyword-rich metadata for better search ranking. And that's how to use Claude AI for SEO content creation in 2026. Once you combine keyword research, structured outlines, and optimized writing, you can create content that performs much better on search engines. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI SEO tutorials and content strategies.